Okay, so I just wanted to give you an overview of the bonuses that I have for you for the Audgram, for purchasing Audgram through my link, I should say. So you could see them listed in this video at fabrecommendsit.com/Audgram review, demo and bonuses. Okay, so the first bonus is one of my courses. It's called the High Ticket Affiliate Marketing Made Easy course. It's a free video course, and it also comes with a workbook, bonus toolkit, and also some coaching, okay, as bonus. So that's valued at $997, and it is all about unlocking the secrets to a six-figure online business using high-ticket affiliate marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. Okay. So the next bonus that I have, now these bonuses that I've put together are actually, I've thought about it very hard, and I want them to complement Audgram. So there has been a lot of thought put into this. And the second bonus is the Quick Start Traffic Reports, okay, and Audio Pack. So in this bonus, you're going to learn how to get more leads and sales from the most effective platforms for sharing your audio snippets that generate leads. Okay, and these are short, sharp reports, no fluff. You're also going to get the second report, which is where to place your short audio clips to drive traffic to your offers. And there's also a guide to using audiograms or short clips on LinkedIn to drive conversions as well. So you get a little step-by-step guide there. And then I've also included 100 royalty-free music tracks for you to use as background music or as you like within your audio clips. And I've also included the resell rights. Now, if you go to places like Audio Jungle, you'll see that probably the cheapest audio track there is about $4. So 100 of these tracks, at the very minimum, this bonus alone is about $400. But you're going to get 100 tracks that you can use and also resell as well. Okay, and so conservatively, I've valued this package at $497. Also, you're going to get access to a software to grow your Facebook group. Okay, it's called Member Grabber, and what it does, it turns your Facebook group into a lead generation machine, and you don't need any sort of skills or experience to start. So you can actually capture member info, and it auto detects new members and tags them based on how they answer sort of group entry questions. Okay. It's seamless integration. It connects to your autoresponder or your client record management system or even webinar tools or platforms in seconds. And also included is also the control center here, okay, as well. So you're going to have a built-in lead generation CRM. It's called the Global Control Center, and that's yours, and that's a software made by Chad Nicely, who is a wonderful marketer and a wonderful human as well. Whilst we speak about Chad Nicely, also you're going to get access to his online marketing live strategy sessions and community insight. It's called Chad Nicely's Roundtable, and you're going to get behind the scenes sort of real-time business insights, revealing the exact strategy that he's using now. You're also going to get expert-led training. So you're going to be able to learn from top marketers and industry leaders, sharing proven and actionable strategies. And Chad is also not only a great marketing mind, but he also has a great talent in building complex software, but makes it super simple to use. Okay, so there's no coding skills required. So he'll provide some exclusive tech and product updates, and so that you can stay ahead of the latest marketing tools and innovations. There's also the Community Network Connect. So this is where you connect with like-minded entrepreneurs and marketers that are ready to grow and collaborate. And there's also live Q&A sessions you can take a part of. Okay, so if you want this bonus, I didn't put any prices on it because to me both the last two bonuses are priceless. And I highly recommend, if you want to take your business further, definitely get this or get Audiogram through my link so that you can get this wonderful bonus. Final bonus is 5 AI prompts, okay, and 1 hour coaching from myself. So these 5 AI prompts are going to unlock your audiograms, okay. So they're going to be high impact prompts that are going to turn audio content into a lead generation machine, okay. So whether you're a coach, podcaster, or content creator, you'll discover how to define your ideal client, create irresistible marketing messages, drive traffic, and build a sales funnel, all from short audio. And you're going to use this using the prompts that I've found for you and put together. And you can use this either in ChatGPT or your AI tool of choice, okay? And also 1 hour coaching call with me. Happy to run through a focused 60-minute session where you'll get personalized guidance to amplify your brand, repurpose, your audio content for more reach, and convert attention into real results. We'll go through my system called the Synergy of 3. This will blow you away. And I'll also identify the biggest opportunities and map out some actionable steps for you to grow your audience, leads, and income as quick as we can. Okay, so again, just to recap, these bonuses, as I said, are over $2,000. You're going to get my high ticket affiliate course program. You're going to get the short, sharp traffic generation reports. You get the 100 royalty-free music tracks to help with your clips and your content creation. You're also going to get the 5 high-impact AI prompts to get your audios generating leads and sales. You'll get access to Chad's software called Member Grabber. That's specifically designed for Facebook. You'll get access to his roundtable coaching, and that's priceless. And you'll also get 1 hour with myself. So if you want to get these wonderful bonuses, please send your proof of purchase via my affiliate link to highticketaffiliate101@gmail.com, and in the subject line you put "my bonuses please," okay, because I get a lot of emails and I just want to make sure that I don't miss you. So again, put in the subject line "my bonus please" and send your proof of purchase to highticketaffiliate101@gmail.com. Thank you for your time.